Small in size, but they are the world's most fearless animal. Many large predators have to be afraid of this animal. In particular, their favorite food is poisonous snake. Because of the thick leather, especially highly poison resistant, it's not difficult for badgers to attack and eat the poisonous snake. So who is today's victim of badgers? Let's watch this video. Yes, that leopard. The mother and baby honey badgers became the target of leopard in Kruger National Park, South Africa. Suddenly, the baby badgers were in the leopard claws. Thought that the leopard had a delicious meal. Badger's mother appeared, rushed to attack the leopard. Just only one hit, the leopard had to run away. Let's see the video with me. The badger is an animal belonging to the weasel family. Unlike its relatives, this species is notorious for its careless, stubborn nature. They're ready to fight the fierce predator like lion or leopard. Along with that nature, honey badgers are also own thick skin that protect them from the claws of dangerous enemies. Honey badgers and leopard are very rare in nature. Honey badgers are not regular prey of leopard because they are famous for ferocious, tenacious fight. Honey badgers is one of the most reckless animals in the wild. With a small body but extremely flexible, badgers make many enemies scared. They are ready to attack, stealing food of lion without any fear. Honey badgers had a strong body with short legs and tail. Their weight can be reached up to 13 kg and length is 80 cm. Having the wide bald head, pointed nose, small eyes, and no ears. On the forefoot are very sharp and large claws, which are great to have for hunting and digging holes. The leopard came closer and closer until its nose touched the badger. The baby badger turned around and was very panicked. Not missing an opportunity, the leopard immediately attacked the prey with its sharp claws and teeth. The small honey badger fought back, but it didn't work. Honey badger is only about 2 years old, lacking combat experience, so it's not a rival of leopard. The moment when encountering the prey, the leopard can easily control the small animal, tear it to eat. Suddenly, the mother badgers appeared with tremendous speed, jumping on the leopard. The leopard was suddenly attacked, startled, and jumped away to avoid it. The badger moved very skillfully. The sharp teeth and claws made the leopard hurt. The leopard had to sit for a moment to lick the wound and then launch more powerful attacks, but in the end, it still had to give up its prey. However, the mother badger stayed angry. It continued to